Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can use your Android device as a wireless speaker. If you connect your mobile phone with the headset, then it will be like wireless headset, The sound from your computer or laptop will be played on your mobile phone. And I'm going to show you guys how you can do just that. Your audio will be transmitted through the Wi-Fi, so it will be like wireless. You have to download this software and install it in your desktop. It's actually a sound server that transmits your audio with your IP address. And you also have to install an app from your Android device that will act as a sound receiver. First we have to close whatever the warning we got just about the frequency and the quality of the audio, and I'm okay with the current frequency. Now you have to note the server IP address. That is very important, and then you can see the status disconnected. That means there's no other devices connected to this software. Soundware audio streaming app. This is the app. You have to install it from your Play Store, and it's completely free, so you don't have to pay for anything. Once you install that, you have to open the app, and then you have to enter your server IP address. This is actually your computer or laptop IP address. Once you have entered the IP address, you have to press the audio spring icon from the above. Once your device has been connected, the status will show you like it's connected. Now whatever the sound is playing on your desktop or laptop, it will be played on your Android device as well. If you are getting any connection errors, that would mean your firewall is actually blocking this server program. So you have to allow access to this program in your firewall from your desktop, and then you can try to connect this once again. If you want to stop the audio from your mobile, all you have to do is press these three little dots and then click exit, because this app will automatically run in the background. So if you exit properly, it will stop the sound. I hope this helps you guys. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.